Far superior to their pretentious spa brochure image, essential oils are truly epic. Distilled from plant parts, this concentrated form of pure plant oil has more uses than a sword on a battlefield. Here's how to use them. Adding essential oil to bath water relaxes the mind and muscles. We opted for lemongrass for rejuvenation and mood brightening, as it brings back your will to live after a rough day. Always dilute 2 to 3 drops with the carrier oil like coconut or almond, because a concentrated amount transports you from paradise to pain. When life delivers more punches than a victorious Mike Tyson, it's essential oils to the rescue. We're using grapefruit for its mood-uplifting, energy-boosting properties. Add 2 to 3 drops of oil into a diffuser along with some water and light the candle at the base. The heat makes the water and oil evaporate as tiny molecules of essential oil are released into the air. Make sure to diffuse oil for 20 to 30 minutes only, in a room with ventilation, as any longer could cause headaches and nausea. Haven't we all heard the line about getting too much of a good thing? Some essential oils improve skin by reducing blemishes and adding a glow. Jackpot! Simply add a few drops to your night cream and apply for smoother skin. Bergamot oil works really well as part of a nourishing nightly regime. Never add the oil directly to your skin. Always dilute them first and avoid using them near the eyes and ears. Similarly, including a few drops into your hair oil brings a beautiful mild fragrance to your hair. Do all these or simply take a quick whiff from the bottle itself to instantly boost your mood, and you've officially jumped on the essential oils benefit bandwagon. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.